Thinking about it now, it's hard to believe it actually happened, but there I was, waiting for the bullet with my name on it.
He always loved chasing that rooster.
What?
He loved chasing that rooster.
Yeah, he sure did. Loved to chase that rooster.
He was so brave.
Yeah, just like Lassie.
Remember that time he bit the guy in the wheelchair?
Yeah. So you got a replacement?
I was thinking about that. Say, Bob, do you think you could do me a favor? Just for this weekend, till I get a new dog. I'll get you one of those new security guard flashlights.
Now what?
I know what you're thinking.
In here. What's going on? A, B, C. A, a shot in the head. B, body in the trunk. C, car in the crusher. It's simple math.
We gotta call the cops.
That'll get you a D for deceased. What we gotta get out of here.
As we ran, he told me of a witch's brew of gangsters and pirated music and elderly jaded rock stars.
What are you telling me all this for? This could get me killed.
I need a secret holder. It's kind of like life insurance. Ever been to Boca de Playa? It's in Honduras.
So I had a choice. Become one with an early 80s sedan, or be a secret holder in Honduras with a thug named Tom.
Look, why are we taking the float planes? This is the first place they would check.
A, it's the fastest way off this rock. B, then onto the international airport. And then Boca de Playa all day long. Here's your ticket. Got any change?
Yeah.
You want to get me a newspaper outside there?
Newspaper.
Yeah, I'm afraid of flying. It takes my mind off things.
Okay.
Meeting you on the plane. Don't be late.
Hey, got a reservation?
I'm sorry, sir. This ticket has been canceled.
Canceled?
That's what it says right here.
I know what you're thinking. You're thinking these are unregistered handgun. Unregistered?
And that's why I wasn't at work the other night.
Ghost Dog?
That's right.
Bob, that's worse than your alien abduction excuse.
Hey, that happened. You don't know the weird stuff that happens around here at night.
I get the point.
They had an annihilator this big.
All right already.
It's a miracle I got away on probe.
I'll find a new dog. Just give me one more weekend.
It was those little grays. You know the ones?
I've got to pick the right one. It's not that easy.
They had these huge black eyes.
Bob, give me a break. A good dog is hard to find.
You know, they said they might be back.